Process flow chart of conducting assessment and certification. Fixing date of assessment. All the assessment will be routed through SDMS. Assessment date is decided with a common agreement of VTP and AA. AA ensures, AA means assessor agency, the availability of required infrastructure, tools and for the assessment. THSC assigned to the batch to AA. The final approval is given by THSC senior official. AA assigned only assessor AA assigned batch to an assessor. Only assessor certified for that particular QP by THSC are eligible to conduct the assessment. Assessor is provided with location details of the VTP. He or she contacts VTP a day prior to the assessment to ensure that all the aspects are well managed. VTP is informed about the details of the assigned assessor. Final approval of the assessor assigned. THSC scrutinizes the submitted CV. Final approval given by THSC. Final approval of the assessor assigned. Assessor reached the VTP center on the prefixed time. Not more than 20 candidates in a day. Assessor and representative from assessment agency are present on the day of assessment to manage the process at assessment locations. Assessor submits marks to AA. Then is audit of results. THSC does a third-party audit of results. AA uploads results on SDMS. These must be visible to THSC and TP. Certification. THSC keeps track of all certificates generated. Fixing date of assessment. All the assessment will be routed through SDMS. Assessment date is decided with common agreement of VTP and assessment agencies. Any change in dates requested by the A or VTP are communicated well in advance and never last minute. Inconvenience to either party must be avoided. Assessment agency ensures the availability of the required infrastructure, tools and for the assessment. Assessment agency assigns the batch to an assessor. Only assessors certified by THSC are eligible to conduct the assessment. Assessor is provided with the location details of the VTP. He contacts VTP a day prior to the assessment to ensure that all the aspects are well managed. VTP is informed about the details of the assigned assessors. Assessor conducts the assessment. Assessor reaches the VTP center on the prefixed time. The trainees are scheduled in such a way that an assessor shall not assess more than 20 candidates in a day. Assessor and a representative from assessment agency are present on the day of the assessment to manage the process at assessment locations. They carry an identity card or proof of identity. Assessor validates the training center by inspecting the infrastructure and at least 3 of the following essential documents: attendance records, formative assessment records, student leave application record, project work record of the students to be assessed, internship records. Assessor verifies the trainee's identity through documents. Any document issued by Government of India such as ration card, Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, election card, etc. Assessor maintains the records of attendance, verified documents, score sheets, answer sheets and whatever applicable. Assessor shall assess the trainees as per the format prescribed by the THSC online format. Assessor collects evidence of the assessment in best possible way: videos, pictures, voice recordings, etc. Assessor maintains complete confidentiality of the score, compiles the data and document and sends it to the assessment agency within 2 days of the assessment. Assessment agency submits the result of THSC. The assessment agency validates the tallies various aspects of the documents received from the assessor. The assessment agency, after processing the results and putting them in standard format, hands over to THSC within 7 days of assessment. THSC issues certificate. THSC cross-checks and validates the data with all the respect and declares the result of VTP. Certificate of passed candidates are generated through Pitney Bowes device. Soft copy of the certificate is sent to VTP. VTP then gets the certificate printed as per the specified standard paper and distributes to deserving candidates. Printing certificate norms: paper 300 GSM, color white. Any certificate printed must conform to above standards.